Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. Check it out, man. If you've followed my channel for any amount of time, you know that I love CB Radio. I've got tons of them. One of the many that I have is the President Randy, and I also have a President Randy 2. My understanding is they now have a President Randy 3. These things are pretty cool. Like I love my Radio Shack stuff, don't get me wrong, but this has got Radio Shack beat when it comes to modern conveniences, scan, and all the noise blanking technology and emergency channel and dual watch and weather mode and AM and FM. I mean, these are just really cool. The antenna is easily replaced with a longer or larger antenna. You can even adapt this thing and of course run it as a base station if you want to. And that is where I'm going with this video. If you look on the bottom there, what it comes with from the store, what it comes with when you buy this thing is like a little piece that clamps on here, and then it just runs to a charger, or you can run it to a cigarette outlet in your car as well. That has been what I would say is the only part about this that I have not really enjoyed. I like the radio great, but I wanted it to have like a dock, a desk charger for it. And I reached out to President, and lo and behold, they've come up with one. So this is what that is. It is the desktop dock. It says it's for the Randy 3 or Randy FCC. I've got a Randy FCC here. And there it is. There's not a whole lot to it. And so you're going to use the power supply that comes with the other style of dock, but now you can plug it in there, and now you go. You'll have your charging base, so I can leave that on the charging base, and it's always ready for me to go. I don't know if it has a part number here, but let me see. Not really. I bought it off the President's site there, but it's the desktop dock. Randy 3, Randy FCC, and it fits it just fine. And it's got kind of a positive lock. There's actually slides on the side here, so it's like they knew they were going to do this, or maybe they had it right from the start, and I just never noticed, but there it is, ready to rock and roll. Making these already really cool short walkie-talkie here kind of even a better piece of equipment, if you ask me. Being able to plug that in and get that charged up really does help. All right, well, I guess that'll do it for today. Super short video on this one, but I just wanted you to be aware. I know that a lot of people have bought these over the years. I hear people commenting about how they picked one up, and some people use them as base stations. Well, now you can use this, get an adapter, hook it up to an A99, leave it right on this charger here, and you've got yourself a whole wide world of listening and talking with a simple walkie-talkie like that. Till next time, my friends, take care.